by Red Hat. So being we all users of different translation management system, I thought I should be sharing about a little bit of Zanata also, so that it's like give and take. So this is the architecture, just to give an idea. So neither I don't understand all of it. So it's like web browser clients to interact with the Zanata. Zanata is developed on JBoss, and these are the utilized technologies. And okay, the features. So the
Let's go out of the
I know. So the translation management system, the important features of Zanata translation management system is the translation reuse. I shall explain later, coming slides, how in detail what all these features. Then the review process. Then the translation memory import and export. Then you have the glossary integration. Then GitHub, and yes, it is 100% open source, free, and it continuously work with the community. So a bit of history about Zanata. Zanata, the conceptualization was in 2008, and then the users, the internal users, the translators within Red Hat, we started using it from 2009, and by 2011, the first community instance was launched. And since then, it's with the communities. Now Fedora has completely moved to Zanata. I guess JBoss, OpenStack, these are the communities which use Zanata now. And this is how a login screen would look. So you can create your own Zanata ID or a Fedora ID or a Google, Yahoo, OpenID, anything, and you can log into Zanata. And this is a user dashboard. So this is just a normal user, not an admin. So you will get the activities, what you have done, the current day, then this week, then the month, and which all languages you are subscribed to. And you have to go to the projects to browse through the projects. Then the groups, languages, glossary, blah blah, all these are there. And then we'll go to the translation editor to see how it looks. So the translation editor features are concurrent user support, multiple TM is translation memory integration, then the review process. I'll show it in on the screen, that's better. Okay, so this is how a translation editor looks. So this side you have the English strings, and where's the red pointer? How to get that?
It's in the center, top center.
This one? Yeah. So this is you have to click here, and this is where you translate the string, and this is the editor tools. So this one is a notification area. This is the chat room. If you click on this, I have to go to internet and I'll show you all this. This is just a screenshot, and this is a setting, and this is the validation options. Whichever you want to use, you get it over here. So yeah, okay, this is incomplete, complete. You click on this and you can filter the messages as per the status, incomplete strings, complete strings, like this. And this area is the translation memory, and here you have the glossaries. I know this screenshot will it's not easy to understand here. Okay, so let's just focus. This one I have taken here. So here you can see this this particular user has the access to review the translation. So those users will get an option like this, thumbs up. Thumbs up, if you just click on that, which means the translation is reviewed and accepted. So we have a color code for this. So the separator, the plain one shows that it's untranslated. If it's green, it shows that it's translated. And if you accept the translation, this green would turn to blue. And if you're rejecting the translation, it would turn to red. And fuzzy is yellow or orange, something. And so the thumbs down, if you click on the thumbs down, it means reject translation. And if you reject a translation, you get a column like this, where you have to add the comment, why are you rejecting this translation? And then the reason for a translation being accepted, or the translation being rejected, or whatever comments if you want to put for the particular string, that you can get it when you click on this